The Air Force's latest breakthrough has emerged from a decade of secrecy. The F-47, a sixth-generation fighter developed quietly while attention remained fixed on the F-22 Raptor. According to the story, Boeing began work in 2020 under a classified effort, connected to the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, an initiative designed to create an aircraft that could survive, adapt, and dominate in the most heavily defended airspace on Earth. The idea formed in 2014, when U.S. defense planners concluded that advances in Chinese and Russian stealth aircraft, along with the spread of long-range missile systems, meant the F-22 would eventually face limits. With only 187 Raptors ever built and its production line long closed, the Air Force needed something more advanced, more flexible, and more survivable. DARPA launched experimental X-planes that tested new concepts in stealth, networking, and unmanned teaming. These demonstrators flew largely unseen by the public, pushing the boundaries of what the next fighter could become. By the early 2020s, companies including Boeing and Lockheed Martin were building and flying prototype technologies, though the entire effort stayed behind classified doors. Even as Air Force leaders discussed broad requirements, longer range, improved stealth, and cooperation with autonomous drones, they withheld details about which contractor would build the final aircraft. The story claims that the suspense ended in 2025 when Boeing was announced as the winner and the new aircraft received the name F-47, chosen to honor both the P-47, Thunderbolt of World War II, and America's 47th president. At that moment, officials revealed that Boeing was already manufacturing the first prototype, rather than simply drafting designs. The narrative describes the F-47 as having far greater range than the F-22, far more advanced stealth materials, and the ability to deploy from smaller footprints with fewer personnel. It is presented not just as a fighter, but as the command hub of a networked aerial force, capable of directing AI-enabled drones to extend its firepower, disrupt enemy systems, or absorb dangerous attacks. Within this account, the F-47's strategic purpose centers on the Pacific, where vast distances and dense air defenses demand an aircraft that can fly farther, survive longer, and coordinate many systems at once. Supporters say it will give the United States a decisive edge while its allies express interest in purchasing future export versions. The story concludes with projected timelines: a first flight in 2028, early operational testing in 2029, and full fielding in the 2030s. As the F-22 continues receiving upgrades, the two fighters would operate together until the F-47 eventually becomes America's primary air dominance aircraft, symbolizing the next leap in air combat technology.